Good morning, students. Today, I'm going to begin the new lesson of your English course book. The name of the lesson is The Half-Built House. It is an adventurous story where there is a Chitnis family and the children, 5 children of the Chitnis family, they went to play in a half-built house and there they found something strange. Let us look at the lesson. The half-built house. There is a warm-up exercise. Solve these puzzles. 3 men were in a boat. It capsized, but only 2 got their hair wet. Why? So these are 3 puzzles given for you to warm up. It's a warm-up exercise. Children, please solve these puzzles by your own. I'll not say the answers. Let us come to the lesson. The Chitnis children were enjoying their summer holidays with their grandmother, Alpana Chitnis. So, in the Chitnis family, the name of the grandmother was Alpana and there were Chitnis children. Chitnis children means the children who belong to Chitnis family. Grandma's farm was an exciting place for Atharv and Neha and their cousins Disha, Dhruv and Dev. So Grandma Alpana Chitnis had a farm and that farm was an exciting place, was a thrilling place for all the children to play. The children always had plenty to do outdoors. Outdoors means to play outside of the house, not only inside. Outdoors means out of the door. So the children always had plenty to do, many things to do, many adventures to do outdoors, like climb trees, go swimming, fly kites, or play football in the open meadow, and sometimes even manage to have an adventure. So there is a word meadow. Meadow means an open field covered with grass. So grasslands are mostly called meadows. So they do several things like climb trees, playing football in an open meadow, and what other thing they do? Sometimes even manage to have an adventure. So sometimes they manage to do the things that they have not done earlier. They are doing for the first time. So sometimes they managed to have an adventure. Let us go and explore the bamboo grove after tea today. It will be nice and cool in the evening, said Atharva, who was 11 years old. He was the oldest, so he decided what everyone would do. So, in the family, Atharva was the oldest child. And he always decided what everyone would do, what everyone would play, where everyone would go. So he took the leadership of the group. That day, he decided to go and explore, to discover the bamboo grove. Bamboo grove means the cluster of bamboos together, or the forest of bamboos, or where the bamboos are grown in a cluster is called bamboo grove. So Atharva decided with the group that they would go to the bamboo grove and they would explore the bamboo grove. They will find out what is there in the bamboo grove. Dev, the youngest, was just 8, but he always said, I can look after myself. In the family, Dev was the youngest child. He was 8 years old, but he had a confidence that he could look after himself. So, he had always been a part of the group when they were going for adventure. The children got onto their bicycles. Be careful there, children, said Grandma. So children started to go with the bicycle, but before that Grandma instructed to be careful, to be alert. Yes, Grandma, will be careful. We promise, said Atharva. And the leader Atharva promised on behalf of everyone that they would be alert. It was 5 o'clock in the evening. On the way to the bamboo grove, they noticed a house that was only half built. So it was evening time, 5 o'clock. And on the way to Bamboo Grove, when they were going to the Bamboo Grove, they noticed, they observed, they found a house that was only half built. It was not fully built, it was half built, it was under construction. What a nice place to play hide and seek, said Disha. Disha, who was almost the same age as Atharva. Let's play here and not go to the Bamboo Grove. So Disha was almost of the same age of Atharva, who was the leader, and Disha told that it's a nice place to play hide and seek because it's a half built house, so children can easily enjoy hide and seek. So she suggested not to go to the Bamboo Grove. Instead, they would play hide and seek there in the half built house. But what if we see mad dogs there? Asked Neha jokingly. Neha, another member of the group, another member of the adventurous group, she just cut a joke that what if we find mad dogs there? Then only Disha and I will go in first. We will see if it is safe to play there, said Atharva. Then Atharva, being a leader, he told that first Atharva and Disha, because Disha is of same age, they were elder, so they decided to go in first and to check whether the place is safe for everyone or safe to play. Neha, Dhruv and Dev were eager for an adventure. So, meanwhile, Neha, Dhruv and Dev, other three children, those who were left behind, they were very eager. They were very excited for the adventure to play hide and seek there. They waited at a distance for the two older children to give the sign that all was fine. So they were waiting at a distance and they were waiting for the signal of Atharva and Disha so that they could also go inside and they could play there. Minutes passed. Time passed. The three waiting outside were getting impatient, and the time was passing, and the three of them who were left behind or who were waiting outside, they were getting impatient. They had no patience at that time. They wanted to go fast inside. They decided to go and find out for themselves what was happening. So what they decided? All the three decided to go themselves there and to find themselves what was happening there, what's the matter there. Just then, Atharva and Disha came running back. But as they decided to get inside, Atharva and Disha came back. Quick, let's get back to Grandma's house at once, said Atharva. Atharva was in panic and he wanted everyone to return back to Grandma's place. We must tell Dad right away what we saw, said Disha, and Disha told that we must inform our dad what we saw there in the half-built house. There might be some strange thing they saw and they wanted to inform to their father. And what did you see? Asked Dev, curious to know what had happened in the half-built house. Dev, the youngest one, was very curious to know what happened, what was the matter in the half-built house. So he asked the elder ones, what did you see? When the children reached Grandma's house, they were surprised to find Disha's father, Inspector Chitnis, already there. So children, when they reached house back, what they saw? They saw Disha's father, Inspector Chitnis. So in the story, it is clear with this line that Disha's father was in police. So he was already present there. Dad, Dad, said Disha excitedly. You will never guess what we discovered. And Disha came running and explaining to Dad what they discovered in the half-built house. Do you remember those pictures of the three wanted criminals? Children, wanted criminals means one who is looked for. One police is finding. One who escaped and the government or the police is looking for them. They are called as wanted. And criminals are the persons who perform crimes, who do bad things. So Disha told, do you remember those pictures of the three wanted criminals that we had seen in your office? So maybe someday, or might be someday, Disha had seen the pictures of criminals In the police station, the three wanted criminals, she was informing about them. Those three men are there. They are in that half built house. Atharv and I saw the men in the back room. Now Disha told that all these three wanted criminals they saw in the half built house near the bamboo grove. And she also said for the proof that Atharv and she saw in the back room together. Yes, those men almost saw us, but we hid behind two empty drums, said Atharva. And one man said to the others, "Oh, it's just a cat somewhere." So, Atharva said that almost they were caught by the criminals, but they hid behind two empty drums. And that's how they escaped from the criminals. And the criminals thought that there might be some cat. The two children laughed. They enjoyed on that. But that was dangerous, children. Grandma cried out in alarm. But Grandma, she told the children, but that could be very dangerous. The criminals might harm any of them. Oh, Grandma, but they had an adventure, said Dev. Dev, the youngest child who was very eager for adventure, he remarked, but Grandma, they had an adventure. They did what they want. We had a feeling that those crooks were somewhere around there, said Dad. That's why I drove down to the farm. Now Dad said that he had an apprehension, he had a doubt, or the police had a doubt that the crooks, the criminals, they were hid somewhere near the farm, and that is why Dad drove down to the farm. He came to the farm. I must call headquarters to ask them to send a patrol team at once. And then Dad said that he must call some more police team and they should reach at once to the place to catch the criminals. You did the right thing, children. Well done. And then he praised the children that they did the right thing or for finding out the criminals there. A little later, the police patrol arrived. So after some time, the police team arrived. Some more policemen, the police team had arrived. Atharva and Disha asked if they could accompany the officers. And Atharva and Disha, they were very eager to go with the policemen to the half-built house again. So they asked to accompany the officers. The officers said they could go only if they promised to be obedient, and the officer put a condition in front of them to be obedient, to follow all the instructions, then only they could accompany the police team. The two children eagerly accompanied the policemen to the half-built house. Very quietly, the four policemen and the children approached the room. So with in silence, the four policemen and the two children, Atharva and Disha, they approached the room where they saw the criminal. Then quick as lightning, the police stormed into the room and got hold of the three crooks and handcuffed them. Then what happened? As quick as lightning means with great speed, the police team stormed into the room. Stormed means that with a storm they entered the room and got hold of the three crooks, got hold of the three criminals and handcuffed them. Handcuff, children, is a chain or a similar object with a ring used to bind a person, especially the person, or sometimes it is used for animals also, but police especially use this chain or an object like that to bind the criminals. So the police, they got hold of the three criminals and handcuffed them, put handcuffs in their wrist. More officers arrived and the crooks were taken away. Afterwards, some more police officers arrived and the criminals were taken away to the police station. The chief officer was very pleased. Good work, children, he said. And then the chief officer, who was the head of the team, he praised the children, he complimented the children for their good work. You were very brave, said Dad. Dad also complimented them that they were very brave. So, because they found out the criminals who were wanted in the town. Thank you, children.